Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. You release both keys as soon as KRUGER and MATZ logo pops up on the screen. And that's it, this is the factory mode of the KRUGER MATZ Flow 5. Let's wait for the options. So here the whole menu is in Chinese. You can translate this by using some Google Translator, and here you can perform some auto tests, some manual tests. You can see the test report. You can navigate here by using volume down and confirm options by pressing power key. This option, the clear eMMC, this is the hard reset operation, so let's just be careful with that one, because if you perform this operation you will lose all data. So now let me show you how to quit this factory mode. Let's use the last option. This is the reboot. Let's highlight this option and press power key to confirm it. The device is simply restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Excellent, as you can see, now the device is in a normal mode, so you can start to use your smartphone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.